Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this Premiere Pro tutorial. In this tutorial, I will share how to add text and customize it as you want. Before starting this video, if you are new to this channel, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon for never miss an update because it will help me to grow and make me inspired to make more useful videos for you. Here we are in Premiere Pro. Simply just click here to add text. Or you can press the shortcut key T to select typing tool. Add the text that you want. You can see the text did not place rightly. We can fix it manually. Also we can fix it automatically. To fix it manually, with selected text layer, go to Effect Control. You can simply just use position and scale to fix this issue. To fix it automatically and quickly, go to Windows, click on Essential Graphics. You can align text using those accurately. You can set the scale here. Fix your text using this if you goes wrong. You can change the position here. You can control rotation using this. Use this if you want to follow the rotated location. Change the font using this. You can change the font style here. You can set space between text using this option, and this is awesome. I really like this. Always remember to align your text, because whenever we edit the text, it goes in the wrong direction. So it is important to do. If you want to change the text color, select all text and click on this. Select your favorite color, hit OK.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
Check this box if you want to add a stroke. Let's choose black.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh.
Control how much stroke you need. We get three options here: outer, inner and center. Most people use outer, but center is also pretty good. Check out which one you need.
Just tweet your body and mine.
Add background color.
Baby, you give me.
Let's set the opacity to 100%.
You're giving me wind and
Choose any color and hit OK.
butterfly.
Set the background size.
You give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.
You can make it rounder using this.
High and dry. Oh. But I don't wanna jinx it, baby.
Lastly, we can add some nice shadow. Obviously I choose black for it.
Oh.
I will set the distance about 34. This is shadow size option. I will set it to 9.8. You can control blur option here. Play with those options as much as you need. Let's play the video. Beautiful. You can add a cross dissolve to make it even more beautiful.
You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight.
Beautiful.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me high and dry. Baby,
You can always turn off any of those options.
you're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight.
That's all I want to share with you in this video. This was very basic things that you should know about Premiere Pro. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. If you are new to this channel, subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon for never miss an update.
You whip up my